Hi. Let's learn about American Depositary Shares, ADS. An American depositary share is an equity share of a non-U.S. company held by a U.S. depositary bank and available for purchase by U.S. investors. The entire issuance of shares by a foreign company is called an American Depositary Receipt, ADR, while the individual shares are referred to as ADSs. But the terms American Depositary Shares and American Depositary Receipts are often used interchangeably. An ADR is a negotiable certificate issued by a U.S. bank, under an agreement with a foreign company, and is evidence of ownership of ADSs, much the same way a stock certificate denotes ownership of equity shares. ADSs are meant to facilitate the trading of shares. They can trade over the counter or on a major exchange such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the NASDAQ, depending on how much the foreign company is willing to comply with U.S. regulations. Foreign companies that choose to offer shares on U.S. exchanges gain the advantage of a wider investor base, which can also lower costs of future capital. For U.S. investors, ADSs offer the opportunity to invest in foreign companies without dealing with currency conversions and other cross-border administrative hoops. There is some currency risk involved in holding ADSs. Fluctuations in the exchange rate between the U.S. dollar and the foreign currency will have some effect on the price of shares as well as on any income payments, which must be converted into U.S. dollars. Tax treatment of dividends from ADSs is also different. Most countries apply a withholding amount on dividends issued for ADRs. This withholding amount can vary and the dividend tax can be avoided by ADR investors by filling out Form 1116 for foreign tax credit. A single ADS often represents more than one share of common stock and can gap up or down outside of U.S. trading hours. For example, South Korea's Woori Bank has ADSs that are traded in the U.S. and have shown fluctuations in price and behavior, demonstrating the real-world application of ADSs. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. American Depositary Shares, ADS, refer to shares in foreign companies that are held by U.S. depositary banks and can be traded in the U.S., including on major exchanges. 2. The terms American Depositary Shares and American Depositary Receipts are often used interchangeably. 3. ADSs allow foreign companies access to a wider investor base and the world's most sophisticated financial marketplace. 4. The main drawback of ADSs for investors is that there is still some currency risk, even though they are denominated in U.S. dollars. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.